The Progressive Dynamics PD4045KV Converter combines a power distribution panel and smart battery charger in one compact, space-saving unit that fits easily into tight RV or camper installations. Its integrated Charge Wizard technology automatically adjusts charging modes to help extend battery life and reduce the risk of overcharging during long stays on shore power. The alternating current section supports multiple branch circuits at standard recreational vehicle service, making it practical for running several onboard appliances and outlets safely. On the direct current side, the generous number of fuse positions with clearly organized wiring tails simplifies adding or troubleshooting lights, fans, and accessories throughout the rig. Built-in protections such as reverse battery safeguards, electronic current limiting, and high or low voltage monitoring add an extra layer of security for both the batteries and connected electronics. An intelligent variable speed cooling fan and thermal protection help the converter run quietly and efficiently while preventing overheating under heavy electrical loads.